Okay, here it is. First full day with Fresno. As Frankie likes to call her, or him, excuse me.
Fresno.
What's the doggy's name, Ba?
Fresno.
Fresno, right. He loves TT. He just loves TT.
Fresno?
You gonna hold Fresno?
Be very gentle, remember?
Oh, that's nice, Ba. Oh, he sneezed. Do you love Fresno so much, Poppy? It's okay. You can let him go. You can let him go. Let him go. He wants to run around.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here, Fresno!
For cheese.
That'll be funny to watch because
Hi,
camera
Fresno.
was tilted the other way.
Yeah.
All they saw was the roof.
No. No. He's eating for cheese.
He's looking for cheese.
Yes.
Uh-oh.